Chantilly lays that pretty face, ponytail hanging down, wiggling a walking, a giggling a talk. Lord, made the world go round. Ain't nothing in the world like a big ass girl. Make me act so funny, spend my money, feel real loose like a long loose like. Oh, baby, that's what I like. Well, I would pick you up at 8 and don't be late. But I ain't got no money, honey. Chantilly lays at a pretty face, ponytail hanging down, wiggling a walking, a giggling a talk. It made the world go round now, now there ain't nothing in the world. Big eyed girl make me act so funny. Spend my money, feel real loose like a long, loose like a. Ow, baby, that's what I like. Well, I would pick you up at 7. What? But baby, but I ain't got no money, honey. Chantilly lays at a pretty face, ponytail hanging down, wiggling a walking, a giggling a talk. Lord mama, she made the world go round, round, round. Ain't nothing in the world like a big eyed girl. Make me act so funny, make me spend my money, feel real loose. Oh, look out. Oh, baby, you know what I like.
Man, that's the way to start a show. Hey, we're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. This is Carmine's Country Corner. Had a couple of nice people working. I almost remember your name. I know it's Bill, right? Yes. Bicycle Bill. Obviously owns a bicycle. You know, that's a good way to get around. I mean, and the lovely lady, Sarah. Oh, yeah, I should remember that. That's my granddaughter's name, and I'm so close with her, with Sarah. Okay, well, thanks for coming up. Of course, the Dr. Kathy. Later on, we're going to have the pleasure of getting Dr. Teresa up. She's going to do, I think we're doing a Christmas song, right, Teresa? Well, thank you. That'll be great. And she's wearing a great jacket. She's sporting a really good-looking jacket tonight. I like that. Anyway, you always look good. It doesn't matter. Dan, thank you. Dan's back there again. Of course, my lovely daughter, Kim, and my grandson, Brandon. You can hear him in the background. He's just, Brandon does his own thing. He doesn't care where he is. He just does what Brandon does, and that's what I love about him. And he's a good guy. And, of course, Bob Gotha walked up just again, and thank you, Bob.
Just wander off the street.
Well, you're part of the band, and you know it. We're having so much
through,
fun.
you know.
Yeah, you sound great. So, Bob Smith Toyota, I want to thank you all for watching the show, Carmine's Country Corner. And Swan, do another one, and then we'll get this whole thing going.
Yes, I would love to do one.
Start passing it around.
Now that we're in this Christmas spirit. I'm gonna do an Alabama tune.
Good song.
Well, way down yonder in the cotton. Okay. It's a 2, 5. Your first note will be a D minor.
In the key of G,
C.
in the key of C.
D minor.
By now in New York City, there's snow on the ground, and out in California, sunshine's falling down, and maybe down in Memphis, Graceland's all in light. In Atlanta, Georgia, there's peace on earth tonight. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pines. Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. It's windy in Chicago. The kids are out of school. There's magic in Motown. City's on the move. In Jackson, Mississippi, Southern Carolina, and all across this nation. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. Yeah. Chicago. The kids are out of school. There's magic in Motown. City's on the move. In Jackson, Mississippi, Southern Carolina, all across this nation. It's a peaceful Christmas time. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas from Dixie, and everyone good time.
Good job there, Gary.
Good job remembering
Yeah,
the
we're
words.
getting. Go ahead. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to talk.
It's a good job remembering the words. How's it going for you there, Carmine? Are you rich yet?
It's doing good. I was rich before I started doing
we
this
know
thing.
that, but are
yeah,
you
no, I'm
richer?
broke now.
Oh,
Yeah, like a friend of mine said, he said, come to California. I'll show you how to make a small fortune. I said, how? He said, come here with a big fortune.
Yes,
and
sir.
that's what happened to me. Okay, so, Paul, what do we got?
Carmen.
See, Bob knows what I'm talking about. He's lived it. What do we got, Paul?
Let's do The End Is Not in Sight.
That's a great song, and I want to ask you first, how's the family?
Family is very, very good.
They're
Thank
doing
you,
good.
Carmen.
Ollie is his birthday now. He's 5 years old.
Ollie is now 6 years
Oh
old.
my God, I'm a year behind that kid. Well, he acts so grown up. It's hard to.
He's
pin it,
6
you know.
years old, and
That is wonderful.
And Isla is 4.
Oh,
So they're doing great.
I bet they are.
Yeah, they're making progress.
Oh, that's wonderful. Little Nicole, this last month, I might have mentioned this. My great granddaughter, she's 4.5. She's on her way to 5.
Yeah.
And her and her mom and her dad all carved pumpkins and put them outside.
I love it.
And for some reason, the squirrels went to Nicole's pumpkin first, and they ate it. And the other two were perfect. She couldn't figure out, why did the squirrels eat my pumpkin? I said, well, they liked the way it looked better than the other two. So they liked your carving job.
If
So they
Colleen
ate
had
the
been
pumpkin.
there
Yeah.
with her gun, she would have taken care of that squirrel, because that's her mission in life, is to get the squirrels.
They can be pesky little things, can't they?
I didn't know squirrels like pumpkins.
Oh, I think they'll eat anything. Yeah, they're great little animals. Okay, Paul, now we'll
All
get
right.
back to the music.
Let's do The End Is Not in Sight, and it's in the key of E, and it comes in on the 4 chord, and there are no 5s. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Get your water there, Carmen. Y'all ready?
You don't need me on the opening. You got Bob.
1, 2, oh, 1, 2. Guess I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home, 'cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Like a sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth, that sweet little gal of mine, she's the finest in the South. Now the days are getting longer and the nights are getting colder. I wanna go back home, lay my head upon her shoulder. Guess I knew it all along, I'd have to come back home, 'cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Yay, yay, yay. Ta-da! The end is not in sight. Ta-da!
Ta-da, Brandon, I love you. Bob Smith, hey, Gary, what does Bob Smith say? What's his famous saying?
He says, I'd give him away, but my wife
Wife
won't
won't-
let me.
I love that. We've known the Smith family since the 50s. I was 13 years old. Now, Mike Smith, who owns the company now because Bob, his dad, had passed away a few years ago. I knew the father for years. Another great guy. But it turns out that Mike and I are exactly the same age, within a few months, I think. We've probably known each other, not close, but knew who we were since we were like 13, 14 years old. That's how long I've known that family. And they never change. They're just straight ahead good people. That's what I like about them. Anyway, it sounds like I'm trying to sell a car. Anyway,
Are you on commission?
no, I'm not on anything. I'm just lucky to know him. Anyway, okay, Paul. So is that your first one you just
That
did
was the
tonight?
first one,
Well,
yeah.
let's get another one then, and then we'll have Bob do one, and then we'll go from there.
All right.
And we'll get Teresa up here in a little bit.
All right.
Open the door and the light stays on.
Let me just continue to try to get this thing in tune, and then we'll do something.
minute, folks.
And then we'll do.
Every 4 cars you buy, you didn't mention this, Carmine, but every 4 cars you buy at one time, you get a free car wash.
Yeah, yeah.
Just one.
We're gonna do a fool such as I.
Oh.
Love that song.
Is it okay if we do it in B flat?
I don't care what
Let's
you
do it in
what
B
I'm
flat.
gonna play it right anyway.
1 5 1. 2 1 2. Pardon me if I'm sentimental when we say goodbye. Don't be angry with me should I cry. Though you're gone, yet I'll dream a little dream as years go by. Now and then there's a fool such as I. Now and then there's a fool such as I am over you. You taught me how to love, and now you say that we are through. I'm a fool, but I'll love you, dear, until the day I die. Now and then there's a fool such as I. sentimental when we say goodbye. Don't be angry with me, should I cry? Though you're gone, yet I'll dream a little dream as years go by. Now and then there's a fool such as I. Now and then there's a fool such as I am over you. You taught me how to love, and now you say that we are through. I'm a fool, but I'll love you, dear, until the day I die. Now and then there's a fool such as I. A fool such as I am over you. You taught me how to love, and now you say that we are through. I'm a fool, but I'll love you, dear, until the day I die. Now and then there's a fool such as I. Now and then there's a fool such as I. Oh yeah.
Well, I got through it. Other boys sounded great. You guys sounded good in that song. Come on up, Dr. Teresa. Just use my mic. Thank you. So check out this jacket she's wearing.
Well, I'm going to sing you a Christmas song. Oh, okay. Here? Okay. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue thinking blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue thinking about you. Decorations of red on a blue Christmas tree don't mean a thing, dear, if you're not here with me. I'll have a blue Christmas for certain. And when those blue heartaches start hurting, you'll be doing alright with your Christmas of wine. But I'll have a blue Christmas. Oh yeah, what a band, huh? Thank you, Carmine. Thank you so much, darling.
How about it for Dr. Teresa? Sounded great. Good job. Good job. Well, that kicks off the Christmas season here at Carmine's Country Corner. We had Dr. Teresa kick off, and we'll put the tree up here in the next
Yeah.
few days.
Have
And
to get the decorations out of the box.
I got half of them
put the
laying
lights up.
right behind it where the camera is. And this next week,
Tree's over there.
you'll see a little bit of stuff.
There's a
Because
tree
we're gonna
right
get
there,
this thing
Carmine.
going.
Hey, Carmine, the tree's at 12 o'clock. Look,
I know. I'm looking at.
we got a
Hey,
tree,
Bill.
folks.
You want to sing one real quick? Oh, come on up. Bill's a cool guy. He's a good singer, and he goes by the name of Bill Bicycle. Step high over that thing. You got it, boss. What do we got? Okay.
You notice how he cleared that fence with no problem?
Okay.
Ready?
We just vamp on the G or what?
Let's do a 5-1.
Okay, yeah, okay.
How fast you want it?
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Goodbye, Joe. Me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta go, pull the hero down on the mile. Monkey man, me a bun, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bow. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie and a filet gumbo. Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle me oh. Big guitar filled through jaw and big A-O. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bow. Thibodeau, Fontaine, no, the place is a buzzin'. Kinfolk come to see, bought by the dozen. Big guitar filled through jaw and big A-O. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bow. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie and a filet gumbo. Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle Mio. Big guitar filled through jars and big A-O. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bio, Billy. Guitar man. settle down far from town, get me a pirogue, and I catch all the fish on the bayou. Swap my money, babe, on what you need, oh. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, the filet gumbo. Go tonight, I'm gonna see my Michelle Mio. The guitar, feel the car, and we get home. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah. Muchas gracias, amigo. Thank you.
Hey, Bill, come back soon. That was fun. Thank you. No, not that soon. Get out of here.
That's a little too soon.
Good
You know
job.
what? Carmine, what we should do is we should have people write us in to come up and sing a song with us
Absolutely.
around the California area. If you're in the, ain't no need to come in from Nashville because we ain't putting you up.
Right.
You can stay in your car though out in the lot.
I think we have room for a sleeping bag right over there.
I don't want to sing yet. Paul, do another one.
I want to do one.
You
I
want
got
one?
a story on a. I got a story on a song.
Bob hasn't done
Okay,
anything yet.
Danny
Oh,
Gatlin.
Bob.
Oh, Bob.
I forgot about Bob. What the
Bob
hell's
who?
going on around
I'm standing here, you know.
I know. Well, you look good too, but anyway, now
Boy.
now
You know,
you're going
I-
to sing.
Boy, Bob, I forgot
I
you were
found
there.
out the other day that Les Paul was a very good friend of Steve Miller.
Oh,
And Steve Miller's father was best man at Les Paul's wedding.
oh, wow.
And his mother was the bridesmaid at Les Paul's wedding.
Well, that closely. Let's
get 'em all over here.
They're all friends. I met Les Paul once
I didn't know that.
in New York City, downtown.
Cool, man.
I went to see him play. He was a very nice guy. I sat and talked to him for a while, and it was a pleasure and an honor to even get to meet that guy. Anyway. what do you
Okay,
got?
so I'm gonna do a song called "Hey Bartender."
Hey, good song.
It's a swing. No, it's a little faster.
There it is.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Went partying the other night, started drinking and got real tight. We was playing with all our friends, felt so good we had to play it again. Hey bartender, hey bartender, draw 1, draw 2, draw 3, 4 glasses of beer. She was sitting down on the end. I said, baby, can we be friends? You look as sweet as can be. Come on down and drink with me. Hey bartender, hey bartender, draw 1, draw 2, draw 3, 4 glasses of beer. so much fun. I didn't know it was 1:30. I turned around to have one more. I looked at my watch and it was 4:30. Hey, bartender. Hey, bartender. Hey, bartender. Hey, bartender. Draw one, draw two, draw three, 4 glasses of beer. Yeah, the jukebox playing everything. Everybody was beginning to sing. That's when I heard somebody call. Last call for alcohol. Hey, bartender. 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 Draw one, draw two, draw three, 4 glasses of beer. There you go. Thanks very much.
Forgot the words again. This old smoke-filled bar is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here at closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here till closing time. I got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. And I got everything I'll need to break my heart. And the atmosphere in here's just right for heartache. Thanks to you, I'm always here till closing time. Bobby! This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just called my home to keep you satisfied. You stop by and come and see me anytime you want to. And I'm always here, you know, to closing time. got swinging doors. You like that, huh? And LaFosse too. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here to closing time. Let's play, Bobby.
That's the way it's done. All right.
Okay, now my turn.
Yeah,
Everybody
man.
sit down.
Okay, what do you got, Swan?
I want to tell the story about Danny Gatton. He went up to Capitol Records and he tried to pitch these songs, and they turned him down. So he got in a car and he was going down Highland. For those of you who don't live in California, it's near Hollywood, right through Hollywood. And he saw this old station wagon from Oklahoma filled with kids looking out the window and had all the suitcases on top of the car. And he thought, all the gold in California is in a bank in the middle of Beverly Hills. And he pulled over and he wrote the lyrics to it. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
wow, God bless
So,
him. So he made some money.
yeah, he made a little bit of money.
Wow, that's a great song. Great story.
Help me, Bob.
Well, gee,
Gee. All the gold in California, then a bank in the middle of Beverly Hills, somebody else's name. So if you're dreaming about California, it don't matter at all where you came before. California's a brand new game. Hotter out a hero, winding up a zero. Scar remember forever, right down to the soul. Living on the spotlight, kill a man outright. 'Cause everything that glitters is not gold, and all the gold in California is in a bank in the middle of Beverly Hills, with somebody else's name. So if you're dreaming about California, it don't matter at all where you played before. California's a brand new game. Funk coming. All the gold in California is in a bank in the middle of Beverly Hills. It's somebody else's name. So if you're dreaming about California, it don't matter at all where you played before. California's a brand new game. It don't matter at all where you played before. California's a brand new game. Yes.
Yeah. Has that little cool, but you played it safe. Put some smart.
I didn't stop like I intended to.
No,
and
That's
go get a
right.
burger.
You didn't modulate either. Thank
No,
God.
no,
Thank
no,
God.
But I wanted to.
I love modulations, but I
But
can
then
do
you get
without
up there and you
them.
go, oh,
Most of 'em.
oh.
They're pretty scary
I
when
call
they
them
just come
groove,
upon you on the
groove
fly.
busters. Huh?
They can be pretty scary when they just come upon you
Yeah,
on
oh,
the
yeah.
fly.
Yeah. And your voice
Anyway.
goes, oh, little golden. Oh, yeah.
Well, anyway, I don't do any songs with modulations in them because I don't think I can go up a half step and hit it right. Anyway, I'm having trouble staying on one key. So anyway, Bob Smith Toyota, this is Carmine's Country Corner. We hope you're all having fun, enjoying the show. I call it fun country music with great songs because we do a lot of old, great country songs. But the music up here is mostly fun. We're all family. We have people that come in and we get them up and it's just part of the family. And we're getting ready for Christmas. We're going to be doing a lot more of that. And of course, Thanksgiving. We can all thank everybody for everything that we've got in this beautiful country of ours. And so anyway, who's up next? It's Paul, I guess.
I can do it.
Okay. I might do one later. We only got about 15 minutes. We might go over a few minutes.
Hey,
Hey, what?
Lake Charles.
Oh, okay.
Take
I
me to
love
Lake
that
Charles.
song.
Take me to Lake Charles.
Take me to Lake Charles. It's a good song.
To a vamp in A. Take me to Lake Charles, I could win $100, buy some milk and mashed potatoes, maybe buy you some flowers. I lost my license when Rita came ashore, trying to help my sister, I dropped it on the floor. So take me to Lake Charles, take me to Lake Charles, take me to Lake Charles, take me to Lake Charles. And on the money, I gotta think of it. I spent on the money. I swear if you give me a ride over there, I'll buy the buffet and a dress you can wear. 21's coming to me, I can feel it in my bones. I'll have to change my name to Savings and Loan. So take me to Lake Charles. Oh, take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Come on, Gary, now. Well, I hacked on my tools when I broke my bone. Hacked on my tools, I broke a bone. Stuck in Sour Lake, not a nickel to my name. My cousin come to get me in the drizzling rain. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Oh, take me to Lake Charles. Well, I can't drive legal, I can't drive at all. Interstate 10 is crawling with the law. Them Louisiana troopers, you know they never sleep. Got nasty dispositions and they target the free. So take me to Lake Charles. Ah, take me to Lake Charles. 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 Oh, thanks. You know, my rule is when I forget words, then I have to do the song again next week and get it right. So get ready. We'll be doing this one next week.
Well, you know, you can do the old Frank Sinatra trick where he just started
Doobie doobie
humming doobie doobie doo to the melody of the song. That was one of his biggest selling records, is when he forgot the words.
Right.
He made more money. So you see, you never know. You never know what's
I
gonna
should
sell.
try that. Maybe I'll give that a try next time. Doobie doobie doobie, doobie doobie doo.
Let's do a waltz. Let's do Waltz Across Texas.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
In the key of C. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 2. When we dance together, my world's in disguise. It's a fairyland tale that's come true. And with your hand in mine, I could dance on and on. I could waltz across Texas with you. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you. Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charms. I could waltz across Texas with you. Play it. Yeah. Come in, Carmine. My heartaches and troubles have all up and gone the moment that you come in view. And with your hand in mine, I could dance on, and I could waltz across Texas with you. Waltz across storybook ending. I'm lost in your charms, and I could waltz across Texas with you. Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you. Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charms, and I could waltz across Texas with you. I could waltz across Texas with you.
Yeah, Bob.
Thank you, man.
Blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, doing broken-hearted me. Bobby! Felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. I just felt like playing a little, excuse me, guys, for letting me indulge, or whatever they call that word. Anyway, see you next week, Carmine's Country Corner. We went over a little bit. I had to have a little bit of fun there. We love you all. Keep watching the show. Tell a friend.